Okay, so this is how to put out the awning. You'll need this little rod, which ideally will be kept down the side of the chair in the rear of the van. So this hook needs to go through this loop, which is at the rear of the awning. So hook that in, and then these two hinges allow you to form a handle. This is a two-person job, so the second person is going to take the weight of the awning in the centre as it's wound out. Now, a couple of things to bear in mind here. First of all, make sure the sliding door is shut, otherwise the awning will catch on the top of the door. And similarly, the passenger side door, once this awning is out, that passenger side door will catch on the awning arm. So if possible, please make sure you've got everything out of the front of the van prior to putting this awning out. If you find that you need to enter the front of the van for some reason, then support the awning arm and open that door gently, otherwise you'll damage the paint on the passenger door. Okay, so Matt's going to grab the centre of the awning, take the weight, and I will start winding out. So Matt's going to walk out with the weight of the awning. Okay, it doesn't need to go all the way out at this point. We can get the legs, and that can help to take some of the weight. So once you've come out however far you need to, or a small amount for now and then adjust it later, you pull out each of these legs. You need to make sure that the hinged section at the end slides out fully as well, and then this will fall down, and then you can extend the leg down to the ground and lock it in place, and that will take the weight of this end, and likewise with the other end. So that's the weight taken on both ends now, so we can adjust the distance that we want the awning to be taken out. Once you've found the distance that you want to take it out, a couple of things to bear in mind. So if the awning is higher than the van, if you have any rain, naturally the water is going to run towards the van. My recommendation would always be that one of these corners is lower, so that the rain will naturally run away from the van and off the awning. Now, sometimes, regardless of whether that happens or not, the water will start to gather in the centre. So if you're going to bed and it's raining overnight, either reduce the length of the awning and have it at a stronger angle, or reduce the height of it so that there's more of a severe rain runoff, so it doesn't gather. What tends to happen is this gathers an awful lot of weight, and these arms do not support it. It won't take much for these arms to then be twisted out of shape, and then you'll struggle to put it away, and or the whole thing will need replacing. So please bear that in mind. Once you've got it in place, peg both legs out to the ground, and then you can use the winding arm just to wind back a little bit, just to give you that extra tension on the canopy. And that is it.